Stickball means to culture to me, I guess you can say like good medicine to me. Because like when you go out there and play, you feel good about it. It also means like leaving a legacy behind for future generations. Because it promotes, exercising. You're running full blast, you're stopping, you're getting your good motor skills. Hand-eye coordination. Basically, just the love of the game.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Ganyaki. I'm a dietitian and the nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujewi, Ta, Torigun.
Today we are making corn and bean tostadas. For this recipe you will need 4 whole wheat tortillas, half a cup of low-fat refried beans, half a cup of corn, quarter cup of onion, a quarter cup of salsa, 1 cup of reduced fat shredded cheese. Start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. Spread beans evenly over tortillas, leaving a small outer ring. Spread toppings evenly over beans. The Otoe word for corn is waduje. For Native Americans, corn was and still is a staple food. Corn can be added to all types of dishes, dried for storing, or ground into cornmeal. Growing corn meant families could stay in one place instead of following animals for food. This allowed for strong relationships with immediate and extended family. Corn is a good source of B vitamins and many minerals. Even though it is a grain with 15 grams of carbohydrates in half a cup, it also is a decent source of protein and a good source of fiber. Protein and fiber can help slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Top with cheese and bake until edges of the tortilla are golden brown and cheese is melted. This is about 10 minutes. Change it up. You could use white, yellow, or blue corn tortillas. Instead of tortilla, you could use whole wheat English muffins, pita bread, or crackers. Try adding other vegetables like tomatoes, spinach, olives, or even jalapenos. Instead of refried beans, try black beans or kidney beans. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 1 tostada. Enjoy!